In Brick City, everything was cheerful and bright, with houses made from red blocks, towers soaring in blue and yellow, and roads stretching like gentle snakes in gray. Tiny Lego people bustled about, always inventing, always building. Max the Builder, with his counting fingers and sturdy stacking skills, was famous for making tall towers. Luna the Designer, armed with her sketchbook and a mind full of clever ideas, loved planning every project down to the last block. One morning, the mayor called everyone to the town square. The air was filled with chatter and worry. The river had swelled after a mighty storm, and the old blocky bridge tumbled into the water. "We need a new bridge so we can visit our friends and send supplies across the river," said the mayor, his hat wobbling as he spoke. Max stood tall on his tiptoes and declared, "We can build it." Luna, always thinking ahead, nodded. She reminded everyone, "We must measure and count carefully so our bridge will be strong and safe." They marched to the riverbank, where water splashed and shiny block fish darted by. Max began by measuring the width of the river with blocks. He knelt on one side and placed a block, then another, making a line until he reached the far bank. Carefully, he counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. 6 blocks wide, he cheered. Luna scribbled in her notebook, "River, 6 blocks." Next, they built support towers, one on each side. Max stacked them neatly, 1, 2, 3 for blocks tall for each tower. 4 blocks each, and 2 towers. That's 8 blocks, Max said, lifting his thumb. For the bridge floor, they chose long, flat bricks. Placing them across the gap, they counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bricks for the floor, sturdy and straight. Luna squinted at the bridge and shook her head. "What if somebody trips? We need side rails." Max agreed. Together they built left and right rails, each using 6 small blocks.